Oh yeah, yan ang unang kinain nila.
You guys are having your lunch here.
Oh Lord, which one is it?